No way.
No big deal.
No way. That's gonna be a highlight. No way we get an intense 88 Fragnum. No way we got it in a vending machine. No way. Haha. That's gonna get highlighted. It's okay as well, like, okay, it's not good. It was so damn overpowered in Borderlands. It has the Mellovan grip. And, oh, I don't even know what side that is, but I love that side. No way we got that in a... Holy shit. And it's level 30 as well. How much luck do you have? How much do you have to... Oh, man. I got some legendaries in these vendors as well, but never got the 88 Fragnum. Nice. Welcome Previous to the stream. I hope you enjoy your stay. Really appreciate it. Wow, that's gonna get highlighted and uploaded to the channel. Nice.